Mad signing in. Now, a very exciting episode of Mad card hunting. So, today we are going to open up some more packs. Today, it's going to be the Flames of Destruction. And very looking forward to it. A lot of ultra rares in this deck and a lot of secret rares. We're really hoping for a secret rare, especially card number 77. Very, very popular card and is worth a lot of money. So, let's get to it. We have 9 decks here, so let's open it up and see what we get. Again, secret rares and ultra rares. Come on now. Leading the heart of the cards right now. Oops, a little glare. Okay, here's a super rare to start things off. And we got a rare, so. Not really the start we were looking for, but we'll see what happens. Hope you guys like the background music this time. Try and be a little bit different and involve every video I make. Rainbow Refraction. God, that looks like a really good card. I really hope it's a special one. I'm gonna look it up later. That's a super rare right there. We're looking for the ultra rares and secret rares though. Those are the big dollar ones. So we'll look it up. Element Cyber, God, look at the colors on this thing. We're still searching for our ultra rares and our secret rare though. Come on. I'm believing as hard as I can right now and get something good. Man, we're getting a lot of super rares right now. Here's our rare. Okay. Come on, baby. Secret rare right now. That would be dope. Another super rare. Had to take a little break to find myself again. Hopefully we get something good right now. Eventually on this channel I'm going to be purchasing more expensive deck cards. Oh, we got the super rare already. Man guys, it's not really looking too good for us right now. We have 3 more decks and we got to find the secret rare. Let's go, baby. Let's do it. I'm getting some super cool super rares. I'm going to research these, see if they're worth anything, worth being graded. I really hope so, because by card value, not really. By anywhere in the vicinity of 30 cents to $1. But again, those secret rares are worth a pretty penny, especially number 77. Really cool cards though. Can't be mad about the graphics. It's not really what we're looking for. Come on, our last deck. Last one, Link Bond. Wow, that looks a really cool card. Well, guys, we didn't get our secret rare, but we got a lot of really cool super rares. I'm going to research them and see if they're worth anything. I just have a feeling this Rainbow Refraction is going to be worth something. Very cool card. Holographics are really nice. Gosh. But, well, till next time. Again, every pulling is going to have its mysteries, and it's good and bad, but sometimes you strike out, sometimes you hit gold, and then sometimes it rains. Think about it. Till next time, AMAD signing out.